Hello students. You are welcome in your new class as well in new session. You know my name? My name is Krishna Sahai and you are welcome here in new session and new class again. I hope you will do well here in new class. Now, I am your science teacher. I would like to explain you today the first chapter of your science, that is source of food, and the topic is food. Right, children, we are eating food whole the day. All living beings need food. The question is, what is food, and or you can say what it does for us. Okay, got it? Now, I am telling what is food and what it is doing for our body, for us, for all living being. The students, food is the main source supply, main energy supply for the growth, movement, and it needs also for the repairing of the body. Okay, it is needed for growth, for the movement, as well for the repairing of our body. हमारी बॉडी को दुरुस्त बनाने के लिए, हमारी बॉडी को हील अप करने के लिए, हमारी बॉडी के मूवमेंट के लिए, एंड फॉर द ग्रोथ आल्सो इट इज नीडेड. Okay, now next question related to the same, what is food, is that which is providing us nourishment, that which is providing, gives us nourishment is called food. So you can define the food like this, that which is giving us nourishment and that is helpful for us for growth, provides us movement, and also for the repair of the body. You can say about the food like this. Okay, now we, in which forms we are taking food in daytime? In different forms we are taking. That you can see, food we can drink, we can eat, that can be absorbed. Actually, what happens, beta? What happens? Food is maybe in any form. It may be in liquid form or in solid form also. Right? Liquid form, like we are taking milk, as well as in the form of the juices of the different fruits. Different fruits we are eating that also have juices, that we can say we can take food in the form of the liquid and solid also, like you know we are eating chapati, rice, pulses, vegetable, etc. What happens, beta? That food goes inside our body through the digestive system. That digestive system makes it digest by the action of the different juices in stomach, intestine, then where it get completely digested. बेटा हम लोग जो फूड खाते हैं वो माउथ से होकर डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स से होता हुआ हमारे स्टमक और इंटेस्टाइन में पहुंचता है। वहाँ पे इसका कंप्लीट डाइजेशन होता है एंड आवर स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन इज दैट वेयर full digested food is absorbed, right? Where it goes by after absorption, it goes into the blood, and from there it combines with the oxygen that is already present in the blood, which we inhale through nostrils, reaches up to the lungs. In blood, both food as well as you can say digested food here, digested food as well as oxygen, they react with each other and they provide us energy, and that process is known as respiration. In that process, energy is released and carbon dioxide is also released, which we exhale. That energy that is released, we used what we have said before. It is used for growth, to get energy, for the movement, and for also for repairing of the body. Now I am coming on the next. Now students, we will come on to the functions of the food. Now the functions, the most important function is that it helps for the growth of our body. Growth means height wise, breadth wise. That is called the growth of the living body. And second, the most important function, it helps us to fight against the different type of diseases, and also it provides us energy to different work that we are doing in our routine. Means बच्चों, ये जो फूड है वो हमारी बॉडी को ग्रो करता है, चाहे लंबाई में हो या चौड़ाई में हो। एक हमारी बॉडी को फिट रखता है हेल्थ वाइज। मीन्स हमारी बॉडी के अंदर जो भी डिजीज होती हैं उनसे फाइट करने की कैपेसिटी को इंक्रीज करता है। थर्ड वन, different work, different people are doing different work, so it is also helpful for us, हमारे लिए हेल्पफुल है अलग अलग जिसका जो भी काम है वो करने के लिए। ओके, लाइक आई एम टीचिंग यू हियर, you are studying here, different people they are doing their different jobs, that is all provided by the food. Now, yes, students, now I will tell you about the staple foods. स्टेपल फूड्स क्या होते हैं, पहले तो आप ये समझो. स्टेपल फूड्स जो होते हैं वो हम रेगुलर डाइट में लेते हैं. दोज वी आर ईटिंग रेगुलरली, दैट फूड आइटम्स आर नोन एज स्टेपल फूड आइटम्स. ये हमारे फूड का, या आप कह सकते हैं हमारी डाइट का मेजर पोर्शन है. ये हमारी डाइट का मेजर पोर्शन है. दैट फॉर्म्स द मेजर पोर्शन ऑफ आवर डाइट एंड इट चेंजेस फ्रॉम एरिया टू एरिया. लाइक वी आर लिविंग in India. We are Indians. Our area is Indian. Now, so I will tell you about the some staple food of India. Like बाजरा. बाजरा हम लोग आम भाषा में बोलते हैं, और वैसे पर्ल मिलेट. राइस, होल व्हीट फ्लोर आटा जिसको बोलते हैं, पल्सेस, है ना, ठीक है. मसूर दाल, पीजीएनपी, तोर दाल, ब्लैक ग्राम और मूंग. इसके अलावा भी और भी फूड आइटम्स हैं जो एज ए स्टेपल फूड हम लोग यूज करते हैं. जैसे मस्टर्ड ऑयल है, बहुत सारे स्पाइसेस हैं दैट वी आर यूजिंग एज अ स्टेपल फूड आइटम्स इन आवर कंट्री. राइट. Now I will conclude today's topic. If any query you can ask, and we will continue tomorrow.